Hi my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle. So again today I'm taking you with me at the Home Sense. You know Home Sense is one of my favorite home furnishing store. They have a tons of choices in the flower bouquet, artificial ones. The price was really good. I was very surprised with this lantern price was $49.99 for that big size. They always have a really nice selection in the lantern or the light. They have a tons of nice frames. I don't know the name of these flower bunch, but it was like really reasonable price. And this garland you can use in your, I think if somebody have a marriage ceremony, they can use in their garden archway. The price was actually really incredible, $39.99 for really good quality roses, and the size, I really like it. And this is, I think, the first thing I saw this. And these cute little flower bunches, I like the tulips, really nice color. They're always a good addition into your bathroom or in a little nook or corner. $19.99 for pretty real looking tulips. I touch them and looks pretty good, feel is good. And they have tons of choices. They always have a really nice planters. It was I think $15.99. Size is good, but actually I'm looking in the black because I already have in the white and in the beige. They have a tons of selection. And this Buddha statue, it was $149 because it was pretty big. This was on clearance, but I think size was little smaller than I need, but $20 really good price. They have a really beautiful blue pottery, especially in this season when the summer come, and it's always a good addition into your fireplace mantle or into your side table. And this really cute statue from Italy, it was $99. This angel, it was pretty heavy. I think its base was made by marble. And I always go through that aisles, look at all this stuff and share the prices with you guys. So if you like to do shopping for your home, it's not a sponsor, but I go for my home furnishing here. I share my home video with you guys. So if you like that kind of video, so for like, share and subscribe, because I keep sharing what's new at the Home Sense, new arrivals and the clearance items. I always check their clearance aisle most of the time. They have really nice stuff over there. And they have storage boxes, very pretty. These cute frames and the outdoor furniture have a really nice quality, pretty sturdy. So if you're looking for the outdoor furniture, you can go and check over there. So go little by little. I'm going to share how you can have a more designer look home in the budget, like this tree hall. If you don't have a closet into your front, you can add this. They always have a really nice furniture, and like this outdoor lounge, it was $199, and I like the blue and white stripe, but I already have a lounge, so I passed that thing. And then they have a outdoor blankets, and they have a bags, little cute bags. I really like them, and it's pretty comfy. And I think the orange is very trending right now. So they have a tons of things in an orange tone. They always have a really nice selection in the pillows, and this knotted velvet pillow was just $20. Really nice addition. I think it looks really fun, really nice colors. So if you like to decorate your home on budget and what's the new trends, please do subscribe. It's free and you can watch my video whenever I load. I do the shorts almost every day and a video twice a week, so keep watching. They always have a really nice selection in the kid area. Must check that area if you have a little kids. Mine is all bigger now. They're all teenager or adults. So they have a really nice storage solution, very cute addition to any kids rooms, like this $20. Look at the size. And it's not sponsored, but I really love to share where you can get a design for the affordable price. I really love that comforter. It was $129, 10 pieces, really beautiful. The print is so nice, very calm, and they're all brand names. So keep watching. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye bye.